How to set up 3D wallpaper on your Android device. What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up 3D wallpaper on your Android device. First thing you want to do is long press on your home screen and go over to wallpaper and style. And then from there you want to tap on change wallpaper. From there you can directly select any wallpaper from your gallery. You can find the featured wallpaper. There is a video as well. You can just tap on it and find the interactive wallpaper. So if I just tap on done, the wallpaper is applied to the lock screen. However, if you want to change it on your home screen, you can tap on it and do the same for home screen as well. Tap on wallpaper, tap on the video, and from the featured list you can find other wallpapers as well. Now scroll down here and then you want to find from Galaxy theme. Tap on it and then tap on get more wallpaper. From Galaxy themes you can just search for 3D wallpapers and find it. Hit enter. I'll just tap on 3D. I just mistyped and then search for it. Once you find 3D wallpapers, you can find all of these right here. You could do a video as well. And if you want interactive wallpapers, you can search for that as well. And then hit enter. These are all of the interactive wallpapers that you can find, which are not quite free, but you can find some free ones and they're really good as well. Instead of this, what you can also do is go over to Google Play Store and then go to the search bar. Now you can just search for 3D interactive wallpaper and hit enter. Now just tap on the first one and then click on install. You can find very different kind of apps here which you can use for your 3D wallpapers. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.